Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Shrestha, a teacher trainee of B.Ed second semester from Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. Well, before starting our today's session, let's recapitulate the class. So, in the last class, we had solved some questions related to trigonometric ratios, and also I had given you to solve some questions at home. Hope you have solved that. Now, let's start our today's session. So the topic of the today's session is trigonometric ratios table. Today I am going to introduce you a trigonometric ratios table. So trigonometric ratios tables help us to find the values of trigonometric standard angles. The standard angles of trigonometric ratios are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here the value of sine of angle 0 degree is 0, sine of angle 30 degree is half, sine of angle 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine of angle 60 degree is root 3 by 2, sine of angle 90 degree is 1. In the same way, cos of angle 0 degree is 1, cos of angle 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos of angle 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos of angle 60 degree is 1 by 2, cos of angle 90 degree is 0. In the same way, value for tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta are of same type. Now, I will provide you a trick to remember these values or to write the table of trigonometric ratios. Let me rub this first. So to write the table, to write the values for trigonometric ratios tables is in the column of sin theta, write here from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now divide these all numbers by 4. Now put square root on all of these numbers. Now square root of 0 is 0 and the square root of 4 is 2. We know that 4 is the perfect square, so the square root of 4 will be 2. Therefore 0 divided by 2 is 0 and the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 4 is 2. Here make it in short ratio, in short fraction. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Therefore square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 2 is root 2. Here the square root of 3 is root 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. Cancel this out. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4 and the square root of 1 is 1. So we get the value of 4 sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Write this in a clear way. Value for sine 0 degree is 0, So we get the value of sine theta. Now, to find the value of cos theta, we have to reverse the value of sine theta. We have to reverse the value of sine theta. So reverse value of sine theta is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and last one 0. So therefore the value for sine of cos of 0 degree is 1, cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos of 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos of 60 degree is half, and cos of 90 degree is 0. Now find the value of tan of 0 degree. We know that tan of angle 0 degree is sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. So we have the formula. We have the value for sine of 0 degree is 0 and cos of 0 degree is 1. So therefore 0 divided by 1 is 0. So therefore the value for tan of angle 0 degree is 0. Now tan of angle 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree will be sine 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Value for sine of 30 degree is half and cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. What will remain? 1 by root 3. Therefore the value for tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. In the same way, tan of angle 45 degree. Tan of 45 degree will be sine of 45 degree divided by cos of 45 degree. The value for sine of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. The value for cos 45 degree is same, 1 by root 2. This will be cancelled out. Answer will be 1. So therefore tan of angle 45 degree is 1. Now we have to find the value for tan of 60 degree. Tan of angle 60 degree is sine 60 degree by cos 60 degree. Value for sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. What will remain? Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. So therefore the value for tan of 60 degree is root 3. Now we have to find the value of tan of angle 90 degree. Tan of angle 90 degree will be sine of 90 degree divided by cos of 90 degree. So the value for sine of 90 degree is 1 and the value for cos of 90 degree is 0. So 1 divided by 0 is how much? It does not make any sense. It does not give any sense. Because when we divide something by 0, will not give any answer, or it does not give any sense. In mathematical term, when we divide something by 0, we represent as undefined. Undefined. So the answer for tan of 90 degree will be undefined. So why it is undefined? Let's understand this through an example. Okay. Okay. Let us consider we are dividing 12 by 3. So what does it mean? It means how many 3's do you require to get 12? So we need 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we need 4 threes to make 12. So let's take another example. Let's say we divide 10 by 2. So what does it mean? It means how many 2's do we require to make 10? So we need 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we need 5 2's to make 10. So let's divide by 0. So let's take 5 divided by 0. So the question we asked ourselves is, how many zeros do we require to make 5? There is no answer, because you can add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus forever, and still you never get to 5. Therefore, when something divided by 0 does not give any sense, or it is undefined. Clear? Okay. Now we have to find the value of cot theta. So the value of cot theta will be the reverse value of tan theta. So what's the reverse value of tan theta? Undefined. Undefined. Undefined, and root 3 1 by root 3 and last one 0. So now we have to find the value of cos theta. So we all know that cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. So we have to find the value of cos of angle 0 degree. Sorry, sec of angle 0 degree. Sec of angle 0 degree. Sec 0 degree is the inverse of 1 by, sorry, sec 0 degree is the inverse of cos 0 degree. So value for cos 0 degree is 1. Therefore 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. So therefore the value for sec of 0 degree is 1. Now we have to find the value of sec of 30 degree. Sec of 30 degree will be 1 by cos 30 degree. Value for cos of 30 degree. Cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So this means 1 into 2 by root 3. So this gives us 1 multiplied by 2 by root 3 gives us 2 by root 3. So the value for sec of 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Now the value for sec of 45 degree is 1 by cos of 45 degree. Value for cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. This is 1 into root 2 by 1 is root 2. So the value for sec of 45 degree is root 2. Now sec of 60 degree, 1 by cos of 60 degree. 1 by value for cos of 60 degree is half. So 1 into 2 by 1 gives us 2. So the value for cos of 60 degree is 2. Now value for sec of 90 degree. Sec 90 degree is the inverse of cos 90 degree. So value for cos of 90 degree is 0. So as already I have said that when something is divided by 0 will give us undefined. Undefined. So the value for cos of angle 90 degree will be undefined. Now the value for cosec theta will be the inverse value of sec theta. It will be 2 root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. So these are the tricks to remember the trigonometric ratios table or to form the values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, this was all for today. Hope you all clear with this. Thank you.